The iPhone 17 series is shaping up to be a game changer in the smartphone landscape. Let's dive right into what we can expect from Apple's latest offering. First off, the design is rumored to be sleeker and more refined, with a focus on sustainability. Apple is making strides in using recycled materials, which is a significant step towards reducing their carbon footprint. Now, let's talk about the display. The iPhone 17 is expected to feature an advanced OLED panel with improved brightness and color accuracy. Imagine watching your favorite movies or playing games with vibrant colors that pop right off the screen. Plus, there are whispers of an adaptive refresh rate that could enhance the overall experience, making scrolling smoother than ever. Moving on to performance, the A17 chip is anticipated to be a powerhouse. With a focus on efficiency and speed, this chip will likely elevate everything from gaming to multitasking. If you're a content creator, the enhanced processing power will make video editing and rendering a breeze. Camera upgrades are always a hot topic, and the iPhone 17 series is no exception. Expect significant improvements in low-light photography, thanks to larger sensors and advanced computational photography features. The new periscope lens could also make its debut, allowing for impressive zoom capabilities without sacrificing image quality. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes or close-up shots, the iPhone 17 is set to deliver exceptional results. Battery life is another area where Apple is focusing its efforts. With more efficient components and software optimizations, users can look forward to longer usage times. Imagine not having to scramble for a charger during a busy day. Let's not forget about software. iOS 17 is expected to bring a host of new features and enhancements that will make the user experience even more intuitive. Enhanced privacy features, improved widgets, and perhaps even new ways to interact with your device could be on the horizon. And for those who are into connectivity, the iPhone 17 series is likely to support the latest 5G technologies, ensuring faster download speeds and improved streaming quality. This means you can enjoy your favorite content without frustrating buffering. In terms of pricing, while Apple tends to keep its premium positioning, there's speculation that the iPhone 17 might offer more competitive pricing options, especially for the base model. This could make it more accessible for a wider audience. As we look ahead to the launch, the anticipation is palpable. The iPhone 17 series promises to blend cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it a compelling choice for anyone in the market for a new smartphone. Whether you're a loyal Apple fan or considering making the switch, the iPhone 17 is poised to impress.